Hello, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time of the day you watch this. Uh, Normally, only burglars would be wearing masks like that, but this will become the new norm. I was woken up, before I forget, if you see me looking to the side, don't worry. There's no blonde or brunette there. It's just my prompt card so that I don't miss out on some critical issues. And on my right is my coffee cup. So don't let them bother. Don't let either of them bother you. Okay. Yeah, I was woken up at 3:15 this morning. Uh, a friend of mine said he's not a member of the Gymkhana. He says, "Have you seen what's happened to your Gymkhana?" I said, "What happened?" What happened is that I had a heavy day yesterday. I'm on the boards of some organizations and where I'm a signatory, and some banks can be quite bureaucratic. We had salaries to pay. Uh, I do online banking. Big amounts I do through my Citizen Bank, and the rest I do through net banking of HDFC. Incidentally, Citizen Bank is celebrating its centenary as an institution on Friday morning, the 8th, at 7:30. Tune in for the mass celebrated by Cardinal Ozzy. If you have a smartphone or a smart TV, you can watch it on YouTube. Otherwise, in cable, channel 132. Sorry for the commercial, but I thought might as well to remind you or inform you about it. Yes, so I was tired, and then there were a series of webinars that I was attending, and then one of the webinars that I was at, I got a call from our president, Dr. Sherrill, to say, today is our Founders' Day, and I was thinking we're not having a mass. Shall we have a rosary? I said, it's a good idea, but how will you do it? She says, can you lead it? I said, lead it from Churchgate. And she said, let me ask the team and if they can do it. I said, it'll be great. You know, I've been spoiled in terms of technology. I had my colleagues, Homi Darwala and Cyrus Barucha, and from Bandra, Joe Cordo and Jailam Ratna. And so they were always there for whatever I needed to do. But I said, if you can do it. Then at 6, she called me again for the rosary, and it couldn't happen. I interrupted another webinar, and she said she had a video call with me and showed me. And it was very interesting to see members there, 6 feet apart, wearing masks, ready to recite the rosary, and celebrating Founders' Day in the most appropriate way given the circumstances. We couldn't do it the way we normally do it, but we did it. And I think that is important. And so then they requested me to do a message, to everybody. And I said, yeah, sure, I'll do it immediately after this. I'll just complete this webinar that I was attending. But hardly had the webinar got over, I got news of a very dear and close doctor friend's death. And that made me very depressed, and already this is a time when most of us tend to get depressed. So I did what I think a lot of humans like to do, 2 single malts and off to bed. That's really what I did. So I must have gone to bed at about 9 or 8:30 or whatever time it was, till I got shaken out of bed with a ping on WhatsApp, this friend of mine that I told you about. Yes, I went through the mail. Obviously, there's some disquiet. And but let me assure you, there were no Malachites. No Malachites whatsoever. I can guarantee you this. We often use the phrase playing it by ear. This is exactly what happened. First, they thought they'd feature photographs, so they asked me photographs. I looked, and got photographs and sent photograph. Then on Sunday, they said, can you do a video message? Now, as I told you, I was spoiled for technology, so I've never done it, but there's always a first time. So I recorded the message, which you probably have seen already. But the question was, how do I send it across? I kept sending, resending, resending. And finally, I saw a provision I could send it by drop mail, and that seemed to have worked. So that was So it kept evolving. And, I guess the enthusiasm was because when you see success, you get overjoyed. It's just like the jazz musicians from all over the world. They were so excited the way things happened. In that enthusiasm. Now, should it have been on social media? There can always be different opinions. Yes. Some will say, yes, why not? The Jazz International Day is on social media. You can watch it on YouTube if you haven't watched it already. And some will say, no, these are times of where we should be mournful, etc. But I think this is a time to be cheerful. And most people, 80% of the people, I believe, are depressed. So how about bringing some cheer to them? So I think it's an opinion. But let's not get carried away by these hard feelings. Don't forget, we are a family. Now, if we have a different opinion, before broadcasting it or narrowcasting it, use a more appropriate phrase, why not come to us? The trustees, three of us. You don't like me, go to Ajit. Don't like Ajit, go to Samit. Don't like all three of us, go to the president. But let's solve family problems within the family. And let's not go out and expose. And, we have enough family divisions in Bandra and all over within the community. So I think the less we have of them, the better. But 85 years is a good reason for celebration, Only recently I completed 80, and this is one small way my family celebrated it. And wow, what a celebration it was. Yes, the Gymkhana was started 5 years before I was born. But my uncle, my dad's brother, who was a doctor, Dr. Joe, he was there. He was one of the founding members. So there's some connection. But, when we celebrated 85 years, or 80 years rather, remember the 3 days of fun and entertainment? If you want to see it, I believe it's on our website. And if it's not, I'm not an expert on websites. So if it's not, let me know, and I'll request Dallas, the birthday boy Dallas, to make sure it's on again. All right? But that was such an event. So 3 days of fun. I remember I was in hospital for 35 days, both my legs paralyzed. But I was on the phone continuously to Neil Murray, to Roger Drago, to Rosalind Pereira, to get chief guests, the Air Vice Marshal, Julia Ribeiro. It had to happen. And boy, what a show it was. Now, could we really let the 85th year go by without any celebration? In fact, all the friends that I shared, some of the videos, I didn't want to overload their WhatsApp system. So I sent a few of and they said, wow, doing it in times like it was tough. And I'm sure it must have been a huge task to do. And so they did it. So hats off to them. So there have been so many concerts here too. I for India, for example, was on the weekend, and what a show it was. I don't know if many of you have seen it. If you haven't, again, social media, that's where you'll get it. So we want people to be happy. 80%, we don't want to be part of the 80% who are depressed. So, in fact, how are you all doing? I know it's changed my life. It's almost 6 weeks now since I haven't stepped out of the house. Sorry, there were two exceptions. Once I had to move the car, and the second time a dear friend of my daughter lives in Powai, so a dear friend who lives closer here, said, arranged with my daughter and got me some veggies and some good juice snacks. So I went down to collect that. So otherwise, I've been homebound 6 weeks, and I am not depressed. To be honest, I'm enjoying myself because I'm able to catch up. I'm able to catch up on a whole lot of backlog. I've been able to catch up on my reading. I've been able to catch up on Netflix and Amazon Prime, and I'm able to catch up with God. I'm spending a lot of time praying. I attend the 7:30 Mass in the morning. On Sundays, as you know, it's at 9, and the evenings at 6. And I've even redone my altar, So there are things you can, and so I'm really having a nice time, and I'm having a lot of rest. So let's be in touch. Maybe we should start issue a newsletter, and you can tell us how you're spending these lockdown days, and give us suggestions of how we can be together and enjoy our gymkhana, if not physically, at least through the net. Don't forget, we are simply the best. So bye for now, and I hope all of you have your email IDs and WhatsApp numbers registered with the Gymkhana. If not, please make sure you send them in, because then we can communicate. Maybe we can play housey via the internet. I don't know. If you have suggestions, let us know. And but let's make the best of it, and let's not be morose, and let's not get anything get us down. Okay? Take care. God bless you, and have a lovely time for whatever is left. Make the best of it. Okay? Get closer to your family, as we have done. All the best. Bye.